Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you something really cool. How to create a professional 3D text effect right inside CapCut PC. Whether you want your titles to pop or just make your videos look more cinematic, this technique is going to level up your editing game. It's super simple and anyone can do it, so without wasting any more time, let's jump straight into it. First things first, go ahead and open CapCut on your PC. Once it's open, you'll see a blank home screen and an empty timeline. Now drag your video clip directly into the timeline. This is the video where we're going to place our 3D text on top. Once your clip is in the timeline, expand it so you have a clear view of everything. Now it's time to add our text. Click on the Text tab on the left side panel. Then hit the plus icon to create a new text layer. You'll notice a text box appears on your screen. Go into the Edit panel, select all the default text, delete it, and type in whatever word or phrase you want to display. Once you've written your text, head over to the Font tab and choose a bold, heavy font that suits your style. I'm personally going with A3 Black because it's thick, strong, and looks absolutely amazing with this 3D effect. Now here comes the most important part. Click on your text node in the timeline and press Ctrl+C to copy it. Then paste it so that you now have two identical text layers sitting on top of each other in the timeline. These two layers are going to work together to create that beautiful 3D depth illusion. With your two layers ready, click on the top text layer first. Head to the Text tab and change the font color to whatever color you prefer. I'm going with a bold red to make it really stand out on screen. Feel free to choose any color that matches your video's theme. Next, click on the bottom text layer. This is where the magic really starts to happen. First, bring the opacity down to around 50% so it becomes slightly transparent. Then scroll over to the shadow settings. Increase the blur amount to around 26% and change the shadow color to white. Once you do this, you'll immediately notice your text starts to take on a glowing, three-dimensional look. It already looks great at this point. But we're not done yet. The final step is what truly sells the 3D effect. With the bottom text layer still selected, scroll down to the position settings in the panel. Here, you're going to slightly decrease the X value to around -2, and then nudge the Y value upward just a little bit. Adjust it based on what looks best for your specific design. This small offset between the top and bottom layers is what creates the convincing 3D illusion that makes your text look like it's jumping right off the screen. Once you're happy with how everything looks, select both text layers at the same time, right-click, and choose Create Compound Clip. This merges both layers into one single clean clip, making it much easier to move, resize, or reposition your 3D text anywhere on the screen without losing the effect. And just like that, your 3D text effect is completely done. It looks professional, it's eye-catching, and it took only a few minutes to create. I really hope you found this tutorial helpful and learned something new today. If you did, please make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss any of my future tutorials. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.